evening, everybody. We are up here at Sawmill Creek, a Cedar Point resort, for a little overnight stay. This is their newest resort that they purchased back in 2019. It was supposed to open up last year, but unfortunately COVID happened.
Right.
So, but they did finally get it open up this year, this summer. It does have a 18-hole golf course. It does have a big convention center on the property, and just roughly over 200 rooms. We do have a reservation for tonight. We're also going to try their on-site restaurant, the Miller's Table. So come along with us. As you pull up here, you got a nice big entrance here to greet you. So this is the main entrance into the resort, and over there is the entrance for Miller's Table, which is their on-site restaurant. And over on that way is the convention centers. So here's a picture of the main lobby. And then check in as soon as you walk in the door. We'll come down the hallway a little bit. And just like at Hotel Breakers, they have their own rotunda area. Lots of seating. Creekside Market, fortunately it is closed, but looks like from the menu for breakfast they have bagel sandwiches, a breakfast sandwich, donuts, cinnamon rolls, and they have coffees and other pastries. You even got some ice cream. Oh, and as a reminder, Cedar Point is cashless, so they do have these little machines to convert your cash into a Visa debit card that you can use at the park or here. And there is the indoor pool. They even have a hot tub. And here's a look at their outdoor pool area. Looks like they got some private cabanas, and just like on the inside there is a hot tub. And one thing that is a little nice, they got wheelchair accessible lifts for people to get into the pool, and also they have one for the hot tub. And even in the inside pool, there's one each for the pool and for the hot tub, which is very nice. And then over there is the bar. So this is the main dining area for the restaurant, and over here they do have a walk-up bar if you just want to come in for a cocktail. So bread service has been out. 2 regular white rolls and looks like 2 wheat rolls. I wonder what kind of butter it is.
Whipped butter. That's what it looks like.
What did you think of the bread?
Nice and fresh. Good. And the butter, the whipped butter was good too.
Yep, I did get a cocktail. It is their old fashioned. It's very strong, this one was, but it's very good. It was between that or the mojito.
I almost got the strawberry lemonade made with strawberry vodka, but I decided not to get a drink tonight.
So we went ahead and got the charcuterie board as an appetizer. So here is a selection of meats and cheeses, and a second plate that has all the seasonal fruit. We got some pickles, mustard, cashews, bananas,
spiced cashews, raisins, a berry like sauce, olives. And these little capers. I think they're capers.
You think?
Yeah.
It has to come on 2 plates because it's so huge. But it looks good. Okay, so dinner has arrived. I got the half brick chicken that comes with Yukon potatoes, seasoned vegetables, and other stuff that I could not pronounce. I'm sorry. And you got the big old pork chop.
Yeah, double bone pork chop with apple chutney, seasonal vegetables.
So it looks good. Okay, well, we just got done eating at the Miller's Table, which is the resort's on-site restaurant. What'd you think of the food?
Oh, that was really good. I highly recommend the double bone pork chop.
Oh, yes.
That was amazing. Yes, cooked to perfection, and the apple chutney with it was amazing, delicious.
I had the half-brick chicken, which was a thigh and a leg, with the potatoes. That was really good.
Oh, yeah.
Hers was the best. At both meals, hers was the best. We did get the charcuterie board, and
It was really good too.
yeah, that was a lot of food for 2 people.
Yeah.
You can easily split that with 4 or 6 people in there. You don't need a reservation for it, although if you do go online, you can make one through Open Table, but you can essentially just walk right up and get a table or a booth if you choose to do so. But if you do stay here, try them out. The food is really good. It's time to take a tour of our room. Okay, as you walk in, you have a little seating bench right here. Coat hangers, just like what we saw at Breakers. However, this one actually has a little closet, so you even got more spots for your coats and your shirts to hang up. Some more blankets, a safe, even more hanger space. A good sized TV, you got 3 pull-out drawers. Got a microwave, a little beverage fridge. Here's the ice bucket. Then here's the main living area. Got a king size bed, end tables, and they do have USB ports inside the lamps. And they have an alarm clock here. It's got 2 USBs and 2 normal outlets. And this is a pull-out. Yes, it is a pull-out sleeper chair. And this room has a fireplace. Full-length mirror. Alright, let's check out the bathroom. You got your commode, 1 sink vanity. You got your towels down there, hand towels. Soap and shampoo is by Bath and Body Works, just like it was at Breakers, and it is a stand-up shower only. And from what I could tell by on some of the rooms that they had listed, that was all that they had, was just these stand-up showers. Good size mirror. One last little overview of the main quarters of the room. Looks very cozy. Oh, what do you think of the room so far?
It's really nice.
Oh yeah, very spacious.
Yeah, it's nice. It has a beverage cooler, a little microwave. I really like the fireplace. That's a nice touch to it.
No coffee pot. So we will let you know in the morning how the mattress feels and everything. So we'll see you guys in the morning.
Yep.
And good morning. How did you sleep?
Oh, not too bad.
Not too bad?
Yeah.
I think the bed was about the same as it was at Breakers.
That's what I was gonna say.
Stiff, so at least we know between 2 resorts, the beds are very firm. I like a nice, soft, squishy bed.
I actually enjoyed Breakers' bed a little bit better. So, but it was very similar, but yeah.
Alright, so we're going to get our stuff together. We're going to go to the Harvest to do the breakfast buffet. But before we leave, since we checked in during the evening, this is the view that we had out our window. So this area is the Harvest, is what they call this. Is where they serve the morning breakfast buffet. It is $19 a person. It is all you can eat. I'm going to show off what they all have available. You can prepay ahead of time when you go and make your reservation, or you can pay at the counter. Okay, so they do have some coffee, decaf, and hot water. They got box cereal. They even have some tea and fruit. There's your plates. Apple juice, orange juice, and milk. Got some fresh fruit. Got some yogurt. Got some cottage cheese. Some berries and whipped cream. The ever important make your own waffle station.
Oh yeah. Biscuits and gravy.
Biscuits and gravy. We got grits and home fries.
Yeah.
2 different kinds of eggs, just regular scrambled eggs, and then scrambled eggs with cheese and peppers, like a Western style. Sausage and bacon. Sausage patties. We got some sweets and donuts, danishes, bagels, and toast if you want to make your own toasted bagel or just plain toast. Alright, here's the spread that I got. Got some biscuits with gravy, some home fries, some bacon, cheesy eggs with peppers, and you got a little bit of the same thing. She got some yogurt with some fruit on it, like a parfait. She got orange juice. I got some apple juice. Alright folks, that's going to do it for us for today at Sawmill Creek, a Cedar Point resort. What'd you think of the resort overall for our one-nighter?
It's really nice. I like what they've done with the place. They're putting Christmas lights up. I want to see what it kind of want to come back and see what it looks like with snow on the ground, because it's very pretty here. All of the foliage is changing colors. I highly recommend coming in the fall if you have to pick one season.
Oh yeah. There's guys out on the golf course already golfing, even though it is a little breezy. If you do want to do a golf package, make sure you pre-plan ahead, because they do require a minimum of 72 hours notice for tea time reservation. If you try to plan a short stay, you're not going to get a tea time, so make sure you plan ahead, because they want you to call ahead so you can reserve a tea time.
Yeah.
And a round of golf is about 50 bucks. That includes a cart, but they do have stay and golf packages available. So go to sawmillcreek.com. That's where you can book everything. Or if you go on Cedar Point's website, you can follow the links through their hotels. But would you stay here again?
Yeah, absolutely. I liked it.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the room. Once everything gets all finished up, can't wait to stay here again. What did you think of the buffet?
I don't think it's worth $19. It was kind of a glorified continental breakfast, so.
Yes.
But, I mean, they did have a store, you know, they had the little marketplace, they had breakfast sandwiches and stuff in there.
Starbucks coffee.
Yeah, I don't know. If you're more interested in grab and go, they have that. If you want more sit down, and it was all you can eat, so I don't know. People might enjoy it, but $19 was a bit steep, I think.
Just a bit steep, but it's resort pricing.
Right, exactly.
It is what it is. But that's going to do it for us today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and it entices you to stay here. I will link our stay at the Breakers down below. But until then, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, make a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, we will see you at the next turnstile.
Bye.